5 new things to try at work to make it more interesting. Getting a new job is exciting, but that excitement only lasts for so long. After a while, you begin to slip into a routine of clock in, clock out syndrome. Next thing you know, you're going into work like a robot, and you've lost that initial excitement and motivation to do big things and take on exciting projects. Before you go any further with this course of monotony, take some time to spunk up your work habits by trying out new things in the office to make your days more enjoyable. 1. Take on an interesting project. Sure, it might mean a little more work, but it's worth a shot. By taking on a new project, you could meet new people and learn about an area of interest that you never considered before. Put yourself out there. 2. Learn a new skill. Take advantage of the resources you have at your job. Think about a skill you never considered learning and dedicate a little bit of your time to learn it. 3. Clean or decorate your workspace. A lot of people fall into the nightmare of cubicle living. There's nothing wrong with working in a cubicle, but if you treat it 100% like a cubicle, then we have a problem. First, clean out your space and make it tidy. No one should be working in a cluttered space. Then, make it your own. Decorate it to your liking or hang up your favorite pictures. Small things like this can make a world of difference when you're spending 8 to 10 hours in the same place every day. 4. Swap your lunch break for a walk. Some people like to eat lunch at the same spot every day. That's okay, but try not to let it become too much of a habit. Fresh air will always do you good, so try taking your lunch break outside every once in a while. Or you can work through lunch and take a long walk outside for your break instead. 5. Listen to music. Some offices may not allow for this, but if you're able to listen to music while you work, that's a great way to break up the day. It gives you a feeling that you're not just in any ordinary office, and it's been shown to boost creativity. Be sure to listen to something upbeat and motivational.